Mr. Investor, welcome back to the channel, baby. So studies show the agricultural market gearing up for next level innovation. Yeah, baby, these farmers are locked and loaded, but not with bullets, with genomics. Yeehaw! So guys, I hope you had a really great weekend. Happy Easter to those who celebrate it. I know I've been away for a while, but I found some really juicy information and I'm super happy to present it to you today. So make sure you stick around to the end, and I hope you find this video very valuable and entertaining. For those of you that don't know me, let me introduce myself. My name is Miguel, aka the Bingo Cowboy. So we've been covering BIONANO GENOMICS since about $2 stock. I sold it at $4 and then I bought back in at about $10, and then I averaged up and then I averaged down, and I'm in this for the long run. So today we're going to talk about agriculture, Biden's policies and cash money, government collaborations. Yes, you heard that right, government collaborations. And then I'm going to tie it all back in and ask you what your opinion is. If you're able to support my channel, please click the join button up here. It's only 99 cents a month. Also, make sure you check out my description box below. You can get 2 free stocks with Webull when you deposit $100. So make sure you deposit $100 using the link in my description box. So you could get a stock valued between $8 and $1,600. And please hit the thumbs up and click the subscribe button for me if you haven't already. Thank you very much for watching. Let's get into this video. So first of all, these guys have done it again. The Vertebrate Genome Lab at Rockefeller University. So these guys have committed to over 70,000 species. Oh, they used Saphyr to map out a manta ray, and now they've just done it for a snake. Don't tell anybody, it's the royal ground snake. So every time they research, every time they run this machine, baby, they are using up consumables. They gotta use the Saphyr chip, baby. And what does that mean for us? It means more consumables and more cash money. They will be discovering all kinds of magic. Let's take a look at their lists. All of these species, don't you forget it, baby. Next, let's talk about agrigenomics. So I found this study online. It's from 2020. You can see it was first published September the 2nd, 2020. This has researchers from different universities and institutions around the world. Some of these guys are here from India and the other guys are from Australia. The University of Queensland, Brisbane. International Crops Research Institution, Kanpur, India. So this is actually a part of the Plant Biotechnology Journal. So they presented the problem so far. Within our world, we have limited resources. Farmers are required to produce more food than ever, yet they have finite land and water resources. The odds seem stacked against them because of climate change, flooding and natural disasters. Not only are they battling harsher weather conditions, but also pests, destroying crops, and crops also getting struck by disease and pathogens. So in order to make sure that they have food security, they must use science and innovations to meet the growing food demand. So progress in genomics has provided new ways and techniques to breed plants. So this study talks about a holistic approach, which is crucial to delivering a steady stream of climate-smart crops for sustainable agriculture. So in order for agricultural research and farmers to build out a full picture and identify desirable traits for plants that have genetic predisposition to disease or even resistance to disease, in order to identify these large structural variations, they're going to need BIONANO GENOMICS Saphyr system, which has remarkable sensitivity towards detection of genome-wide SVs. So now let's look at funding and Biden's research and development allocation. So here is Biden's plan to build a modern, sustainable infrastructure and equitable clean energy future. So Biden has stated that he wants to be standing up for the farms and the ranches, baby, including these keywords here. They want to help farmers leverage new technologies, techniques, and equipment to increase productivity and profit. Now this is where it gets interesting, including providing low-cost finance for the transition to new equipment and methods, funding research and development in precision agriculture and new crops. And if we take a look here, you can see they're providing research and development funding to land-grant universities and positioning the US agricultural sector to lead in the shift to net zero emissions while providing new economic opportunities for farmers. So let's take a look at our previous relationships with the USDA. So check this out. USDA, US Department of Agriculture. Saphyr system on gov.tribe. You can go all the way down here. Very interesting. Federal agency, Department of Agriculture, Agricultural Research Service. So I was looking through some files and I found Animal Genomics and Improvement Laboratory in Beltsville, MD. And this was published here. You can see there's a string of universities. There's National Health Institution here. There's the US Department of Agriculture, USDA. There's all of the string of universities. And there is BIONANO Genomics and this man here, Alex Hasty. Who is that? This was all the way back in 2016, as you can see here. Publication date acceptance for the Plant and Animal Genome Conference proceeding. This is another one here. It says USDA Cell Wall Biology and Utilization Research, Madison, WI. The research project was surrounding investigating microbial, digestive and animal factors to increase dairy cows' performance and nutrient use efficiency. Lots of different universities, national institutions of health. You've got Pacific Bioscience there also. And yet again, here we see BIONANO GENOMICS. There's also been a research project that's been ongoing, as you can see here, Applied Agricultural Genomics and Bioinformatics Research. It's been going on since 2018 May, and it's going to end in 2023. And what they want to do is advance and accelerate translational research. And what they're doing is researching with an emphasis on genomic approaches and on crop, animal and insects, as well as microbiome analysis. And if you look at the keywords up in here, I think we're going to be a part of this project too, or we are currently a part of this project. They will conduct and collaborate on genome sequencing, genome sequence assembly and analysis. And we can see here genetic map production. Thus, essential product development includes new and improved reference genomes for plants, animals, insects, fish and microbes. This is to ensure and enable genomics assisted breeding, new physical and genetic maps, improved cultivars, germplasm or breeding lines, and new information on key agricultural problems such as disease resistance and drought tolerance. Back to BIONANO Genomics website, you can see here BIONANO Genomics up in there for plant genome research. And you can see all of the use cases here on the left. It says large-scale breeding, evolutionary biology, gene discovery, and reference genome assembly. Since 2017, the US Department of Agriculture has said they are committed to genomics. They're talking about genomics and precision agriculture, the future of farming. So they speak about all the problems, including, droughts, disease, pest pressures. And they've said in order to find answers to those problems, agricultural scientists have turned to data, big data. And the US Department of Agriculture has already helped to fund and collect genomes for 25 crop plant species, important livestock and fish species, and numerous bacteria, fungi, and insect species related to agricultural production. The other US-supported research projects expanding these efforts are currently underway, including genome sequencing of 1,000 bulls and 5,000 insect species. They stated here in the long term, USDA researchers are hoping to combine precision agriculture and genomics in a remarkable way to develop crops with combinations of genes that lead to the best performance in specific environments. To support this goal, USDA continues to lead the way in collecting and maintaining open access to these types of agriculture data. As a result, your local farmer's market or grocery store may one day have even more varieties to choose from on Thanksgiving, with each optimized for the farm or field on which it was grown. So we are in 2021, and since 2017 these guys have been committed. And with Biden looking to fund and reinvest in land-grant universities' agricultural research, and with BIONANO Genomics working with so many different universities, will we see a cut of that government money? Will Biden's rural plan mean that genomic companies around the US will be getting funding, and will they be using BIONANO Genomics optical mapping to optimize all of the plants that they are studying? Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. I just want to know what you guys are thinking. Do you think we're going to see some of that government grant money? Do you think the universities that we are working with are going to see some of that government grant money? And what's pretty sweet, if we look at our SEC filing, this is from 2018 or 2017, we had 110 systems, and they said we're working with government institutions, lots of research labs, and we're also working with pharmaceutical and diagnostic companies, as well as a string of universities, including Washington University. We've also been working with the Children's National Health System, DuPont Pioneer, Corteva Agriscience, loads of different medical research labs from across the world, even Icahn School of Medicine, University of Florida, and so many more. So before we finish up, just remember, none of this is financial advice. This is for entertainment only, this video. Let me know all your thoughts on where we're going within the agricultural sector. And if you're able to, please click the join button above my head. It's only 99 cents and it helps me and my brother to research and create videos all day, every day, baby. But if you're unable to, just you hitting the like and clicking subscribe means the world to us. Thank you so much for supporting us. And I'm gonna catch you next time, cowboys. Mr. Invest a Lot, over and out, baby.